And we are back with oxygen not included. So I spent a little bit of time, let's unpause here. I spent a little bit of time trying to think up some clever ways to deal with slime lung once I break these blocks. And I thought, well, in my head, my solution sounded very clever, but in practicality, it's just kind of a pain in the butt to deal with, so I don't think slime lung is a big deal, especially since we're not playing on a harder difficulty, so I'm just going to break this open and let slime lung do its thing. If we look in the database, we can look up slime lung, and it multiplies in slime and polluted oxygen. So it can only survive in polluted oxygen, basically. That's where it's going to affect our dupes if we breathe in the polluted oxygen. It's killed by pure oxygen. So as long as we purify our oxygen, we should be okay. Now I'm going to put another deodorizer. I have one here too, but I'm going to put another one right here because we're going to bust this wall open. Let's speed things up a bit. And, oh, I want to turn this room into a research, a science lab. Science buildings built in a laboratory function more efficiently. Right. Requires 2 science buildings. We have 2. And a light source. I think this counts as a light source. We'll find out. Well, maybe it doesn't. It says, I know it's emitting light. I'm not sure. We'll find out though. And that's pretty much it. No industrial machinery. I don't think the musher counts as industrial machinery. So we're gonna close this up here. Make a room out of it. And let's actually select some more research. Fossil fuels, don't need that. Natural gas, I think natural gas is pretty nice. We don't have a reliable source for that quite yet. Jukebot. The heavy watt wires, that's something we're going to need fairly soon, I think, before we start making any more power intensive structures. Oh yeah, we gotta hook up our lavatory. Okay, let's copy that. Let's bring the pure water down there, and the dirty water gonna go up top. Just like this. And there we go. I wonder if there are like one-way valves. That's a liquid valve. It's not really a one-way valve. I guess liquid just naturally will flow from higher pressure to lower pressure. Basically what I'm wondering is, yeah, the outflow here, it won't go up the pipe. It'll always go down because the output, the vent, is down here. Okay. No need to worry about that then. Oh, we gotta get our... our light powered up. Yeah, you see him using those fire poles. They're really nice. I love the fire poles. Nice job, dude. You finished your research. Okay, now we can make heavy watt wires. We don't need to make them right now. That's a pretty big hit to decor. But it is necessary. Max power, 20 kilowatts. The standard wire is 1 kilowatt. So, yeah, we're going to need that pretty soon. Right now, we're not using anything that's too power intensive. Right now, I think the grill... No, the grill's only 60. The refrigerator. Yeah, that's 120 watts right there being used all the time. Alright, let's get some more liquid piping going through here. Alright, we got our deodorizer set up. Are we ready to bust through this thing? Now, when we bust through this, the pressure here is much higher. It's about over twice as high in here as it is in our living space. You can see if I put my mouse over here, there's about 1,280 grams of gas in one tile. In here, it's 2,877. So it's more than double the pressure, which means when I bust through all of this polluted oxygen, it's just going to rush right through. Are we ready? Let's do it. I'm ready. And then we're not going to do anything else. We're just going to let that sit for now. And actually, we'll take these slime tiles out. And then we'll just let that do... let this slime emit its polluted oxygen. Then after a while, it'll... I think it'll stop at some point and then just turn into polluted dirt or something. So we're just going to let that go, and then these deodorizers will clean up this polluted oxygen here. I'm not going to dig out any more right just yet. Let's look at research again. Conductive wires are great. Unfortunately, these are like the smaller wires, like the regular wires that we use, except they're much more conductive. They can transfer more power. They don't have the disadvantage of heavy wire in that they don't take up as much space and they are not as ugly to look at. But they are very expensive. You need refined metal for these. I think. It's been a while since I played. But I want metal refinery. Do it. We want to get that soon. So that we can stop using the rock crusher, because that's not very efficient. Alright, let's look at this room here. Yep, laboratory. Efficiency bonus. Very nice. Oh no, don't break that. No. The water will spill through. Alright, if we look at the slime, the mass is going down. Yeah, it's going down rather slowly. I think we can speed that up. We can always dig into the chlorine here and make use of this chlorine and try to decontaminate the slime. It wouldn't be a bad idea, but I kind of wanted to keep the chlorine here because I think these require chlorine. Let's see. Balm lily requires atmosphere, chlorine. These don't require chlorine. Okay, the balm lilies do. Yeah, I'm not sure. If we just wait for this to die out, that might take a while. Idle? What are you doing, dude? Oh, we need to, fix this up. Get our hospital fixed up. We'll dig out some more of this. We're gonna need this space for our metal refining area. And we'll just dig this out just so we can keep our dupes busy. I don't have plans for this area here, no specific plans, but we'll need to dig it out eventually anyway, so let's do it. Nice, we're getting some oxygen generated down here. We have a little bit of... yeah, somebody broke that tile. Dang it. Well, we can mop this up. Let's sweep up this garbage here. Alright, let's get another light set up here. We gotta plant more crops. Automation, watt sensor, power shutoff, power transformer. Okay, yeah, we don't need this quite yet. Hydrogen generator. Okay. Hydrogen power is pretty great, though. Our water here is running low. Let's dig into here. We want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bristleberry, make more. Oh, what? Oh, God. You idiots. Okay. High priority. I think they can jump up 2 tiles. Yeah, they can climb up 2 tiles. Okay. You morons. Alright. Let's put a vent. Well, it's got to be up here, right? Okay, I want to put a vent here, but I can't because the polluted water pipe will go right through it. If I get rid of this pipe, what I'm wondering, and I'm not sure of, is can I connect a liquid bridge to another liquid bridge? Well, it's fine. I'm just gonna have a liquid vent right there. And then I'm gonna have a pump down here. Basically, my goal is I want to pump this water up here. We could actually deliver it by hand with a pitcher pump. And that wouldn't be a terrible idea. But we have a new blueprint to choose from. Alright, the Mirth Leaf Seeds. I kind of like that. Don't know if I need another dupe right now. I do like this guy. Piloting and excavation. Do I already have... How's my current pilot? Skills. Piloting 5. Yeah, he's a rocket pilot. I should probably have more than one pilot. Oh, why not? Why not? You can sleep up here. Don't take that bed, because this guy snores. Wait. Do I have another... Oh, skill points. Okay. Alright, Frankie. Frankie's my doctor. Bedside manner. Do it. Let's get you a new hat. The hat is just cosmetic. But they look cool, so why not? Devin, you're new. You're the new guy. You already have a skill point? Let's get you... Do I have anyone else who's good at digging? Excavation. Yeah, you're the best, May. I could use someone else that can do hard digging. Okay. We'll take that. Alright, back to research. Electrolyzer. I think we're going to go for that. Converts water into oxygen and hydrogen. That's a good way to get hydrogen, I think. Converts rust to oxygen and chlorine. Ore scrubber. Okay, we'll try that. Eventually, we might be able to use all these hydrogen tools that we have. We have a few things that will generate hydrogen and whatnot somewhere. And we can use them eventually to get hydrogen power. Oh, we have the hydrogen generator, right. Yeah, but we have no way to get reliable hydrogen just yet. That's what the converting water to hydrogen and oxygen is for. Nobody wants to build the pump. Cancel some of this. Alright. Alright, and this is temporary, and once we pump all the water out, we will get rid of it. And I think when you deconstruct structures, you will get all of the materials back. So it's not really a waste of materials. It just takes a little bit of time. But our dupes are spending a lot of time idle anyway, so it's not a big deal. Now, I'm wondering what, metal refinery. Let's have a look at that. Produces refined metals from raw metal ore. Significantly heats and outputs the liquid piped into it. Okay, so it uses liquid is some kind of coolant, I guess, so it heats the liquid. And that liquid, I assume, can be anything. Now, up here, we are in the cold biome. Maybe we could just build it, like, up here. And then it's gonna, we'll pump in the cold water, or the cold polluted water, brine, whatever. And then we'll pump out the heated liquid just right out here. Eventually it'll heat up this whole area probably. But we have this thing outputting cool slush at minus 10 degrees, so that might keep things cool for a while. That's not a bad idea. Or maybe it is. I don't know. Whatever. We don't know until we try. But there was something I wanted to try. A crafting station. I want to try this. Because we got this a long time ago. And this will allow us to make oxygen masks to wear in low breathability areas. I have no idea how useful this is. Do we need it? I don't know. But I want to try it out. It's a new thing. Maybe it sucks. Maybe it's not worth it. Who knows? Not me. So I'm going to put that up here at the crafting station. Alright, let's get some pipes on this thing here. Alright. You need a liquid bridge. Ah, wrong button. Trying to rotate. Let's go to plumbing overlay. Okay, hold on. Let's start down here. And there we go. Perfect. And everybody's idle again. What can we make here at the crafting station? Select a recipe to begin fabrication. Oh, okay. There we go. Vitamins, medical packs. This... No. That's the, apothecary. No workable order. No discovered recipes. Discover new ingredients or research new technology to unlock some recipes. Oh, okay. So we can't even use it yet. Well then. Alright. Oh, I noticed this thing. The robot arm. There's some weird stuff down here. And we have this inspect option. I looked around and recovered an old file. New database entry discovered. Personal journal A046. Gravitas has been working pretty rapidly since our first product hit the market. I just got a look at some of the new hires. They're practically babies. Not quite what I was expecting, but then I've never had an opportunity to mentor someone before. Could be fun. Huh, it's just just a personal journal, some environmental storytelling there. What happened here? Polluted water. I can't select the oh, I guess the table is part of the chairs. It's all one thing. Wacky. Alright. Let's dig out some more of this area. Now, that ice could be a problem. That's 980 kilograms of ice. I think you can fit about 1,000 kilograms of water in one tile. So one tile of ice is about one tile of water, pretty much. It's a little less dense, which makes sense. Do I want to dig into it? If I dig into it, I'm gonna have to store it down here. Let me try... Okay, right here. I can put a storage bin there, and I'll request only ice, nothing else. More poles. Deodorizers are working overtime. Can we plant some new plants? Yes, we can. Alright, we're out of power. What happened? Someone deliver resources. There you go. Alright, get rid of that polluted water. Sweep it up. Alright. Let's go to furniture. Let's beautify this joint. Oh, this won't do at all. This is so ugly. Let's sweep all of this nonsense up. And this, and this. Now, we don't have any room here. Maybe I should just... Is that a dumb idea? It probably is. Oh. Deconstruct that. We want to put, airflow tiles there. Now let's put granite block there, granite block there. Let's just beautify the place a little bit. How about some molding? We'll use granite molding. It's prettier. Can we rotate this? Nope. Not done yet. Corner molding. Granite. Alright. That'll keep everyone busy. Copy settings. There we go. Alright, now this storage bin down here. We only want ice, nothing else. But I don't think we can select it yet. Because we haven't broken any ice. So let's do that. High priority. Okay, that is ice. Now that we've broken it, we should be able to select ice here. Liquefiable. Yeah, ice and snow. What's the difference between ice and snow? Have a look. It becomes water when melted. Okay, so it's just soft ice, basically. It behaves the same. It becomes water. I was worried that maybe snow was like polluted water in an ice state, but no. Maybe polluted water turned to ice is like polluted ice or something. Let's see. Yeah, polluted ice down here. Okay, polluted ice melts much cooler. Has a much lower melting point. Okay, so anyway, liquefiable ice and snow, they're going here. That is... Set that to more urgent. And we got to make sure that they are not selected here. Okay, they are not selected here. That is good. And we have to sweep that. And that. And the snow. Storage unavailable. Why? Building disabled. Why? It should be able to work underwater. Press enable building to resume use. Did I enable it on... Did I disable it on accident? I might have. Okay, yeah. I think I pressed, I misclicked. Alright. High priority. Here, very high priority. Don't let it melt, guys. Another effect. I don't think it'll melt for a little while. Takes a while for it to warm up. Yeah, this air is pretty cool. One nice property, or one nice side effect of storing ice down here is it'll keep my water from warming up too much, which might not be an issue on this world. Actually, things are looking pretty cool up here. Over here, it's a different story. You guys gonna move that ice now? Alright, well, things are looking good. We're making a little bit of progress. Let's choose another research. I think plumbing is the one we want. Liquid reservoir. This will give us a lot more options for plumbing options, which will be necessary later on. Portable gases, improved ventilation. You know what? Let's go with fine art. Keep our dupes happy. We can make some paintings, put them on the walls. Let's get some more sweeping errands set up. Alright, looking good. Making progress. Eventually we'll get a rocket set up and blast our way out of here. It'll take a while, but we'll get there.